No, no. No, you can't have that.
Stall is a brunette.
Just got home from the gym. This is a bruise, in case anyone was wondering, from when I got my tooth pulled. But look. Who's that, guys? Jason went to work this morning and is home already because they had nothing for him to do because he's on light duty. And no one knows what light duty means, apparently. So Jay met me at the gym, actually, and was like, oh, see? Now my arm is hurting from holding up this phone. Hold on. They had me doing all kinds of crazy my arm machines and abs and junk. It didn't feel basic. It felt like my arms were quivering in pain. So he met me at the gym and helped me.
Do we have to watch the collapse of Western civilization?
It's about to get better.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Gordon. Nice to be here, but you're wrong. These families are just trying to live the American dream like you and me.
You can relax tomorrow.
I see here for the police.
Why do tomorrow what I could do today? I can relax today.
Then relax tomorrow too? No. Do it today.
I'm tired. The gym wiped me out.
You just took on the case, you idiot. See, now you're young.
That's why I'm asking all.
It's not long. That tiny moment of anticipation before the next song. But it's all the time we need. We've already studied every note, every beat, to bring you this song.
Is that yummy?
I thought I lived through ratchetness in Atlanta.
Mimi stayed in Atlanta. We have to put her in the prison.
Blueberry banana. Yummy?
Cindy and Jocelyn. New series coming this winter. Only on VH1.
These are the kind of moments you want to remember.
No. How do you do this thing now?
You just use one that I ate.
Oh.
God.
The one I did, it felt cold and nasty. How you do this thing? I know I
Pop them out.
It won't make no damn sense. Got it. Oh my god. How you gonna do it with the damn thing?
Let's go.
I need to open the...
Oh. Anyway, guys, Jason is sending this TV in to be repaired or replaced with the, what is it, DirecTV, what is it called? Protection plan. So if you have DirecTV, you're a DirecTV customer, get the protection plan and you can get your electronics replaced or repaired.
hit me up and let me know, and I can show you how to get it. Because I work for DirecTV.
Yes. So I will follow up with you guys to let you know what goes on with this TV.